To ensure a safe and secure mobile phone holder in a car, it's essential to prioritize both convenience and safety. First, choose a holder that suits your car's interior and provides stable support. Dashboard or air vent mounts are popular options, but make sure the placement doesn't block your view of the road or interfere with airbag deployment. The holder should be easy to install and remove without causing damage to the car's surface. Opt for a holder with adjustable grips or magnets to securely hold the phone in place, even on bumpy roads. It's best to choose a holder that allows for 360-degree rotation, enabling easy landscape or portrait viewing for navigation without constant adjustments. The holder should also be positioned so that you can access the phone hands-free, preferably within reach but without distracting from driving. Make sure the phone screen remains visible without taking your eyes off the road for extended periods. Lastly, ensure the holder is made of durable materials that can withstand heat and cold, keeping the phone secure during all seasons. This will help reduce the risk of accidents and promote safer driving practices.